Hey everyone, welcome back. Alright, so I went to Menards and I got this bucket. We're going to do deep water culture, and that involves putting the water all the way up to the bottom of these little buckets. And you put the seed in between these little sponges, put a little hole in there, and you just stick it in there. And the whole point of deep water culture is to fill up your bucket to where it's just underneath the roots, and then you have some type of stone or air pump or something. So I got a water tank air pump. So it's going to oxygenate the water for me, and it's going to be blowing up little bubbles and things to the roots. So should keep them fed and everything. And then I got a little crack in the lid, and just going to stick it down in here kind of like so. You don't want to pinch your line. You want to make sure your water's flowing. And then you just stick your little lid on there. Make sure you got your little water air hose. Get that in the aquarium area. Just get it all snapped in. Okay. And then we got our seeds. I just wanted you guys to take a look. This is super silver haze, and the roots are actually quite long in there. You can't see them. There you go. You can tell it's already trying to push the green up, so definitely want to get these into their little buckets and their holders and get them oxygenated and get them under the LEDs. So I set the phone down just a second so I could pull out the sponge for you. And what I did was cut them in half. And I'm going to put the seed right in between and snug it in the basket real carefully and make sure that my roots don't get jammed up in there. I want them to actually be pointing down out of the basket. So I'm going to do that, and I will start back up again. So since my roots were so long, I went ahead and put the seed up since there's already green showing. And then as you can see, there's a little root sticking out at the bottom. And now I'm just going to snug this into the basket. Okay, so I got it snugged in there pretty good. Trying not to pinch it up too hard or anything. And then there's my little root sticking out. And now I'm going to do this to all of my seeds and put them all in here. And then when I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I got all of them in. We only have 9 because that little small one that we planted or put in there to sprout, the little white one turned brown and hasn't really sprouted yet, but I'm still going to give it a couple more days just in case, because it's actually changed colors on me. But other than that, we got 9 altogether, so that'll complete our 12. And some of them actually got like open and took its shell off in the water, so it was white, and then I put it in here and it's already starting to turn green. So that's pretty awesome. And that's all of our little seeds. So wish me luck, fingers crossed. I'm going to fill it up with water, plug it in, and we're going to have the water bubbling. And hopefully we'll get something really good. So day 6, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see what happens next.